HDMI cables are essential for transmitting high-quality audio and video between devices efficiently, clearly today. My today's video is about top 5 best HDMI cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ublooker HDMI cable. This certified HDMI cable delivers premium performance with official HDMI Forum certification, ensuring full compliance and reliable quality. Designed for next-gen entertainment, it supports ultra-high bandwidth up to 48 gigabits per second, enabling smooth, lag-free transmission with advanced features like ALLM, VRR, QMS, QFT, Dynamic HDR, HDR10+, and HDCP 2.2/2.3. With extremely low latency, 0.01 milliseconds, and reduced EMI, it ensures stable and interference-free connectivity. The cable excels in resolution support, offering stunning visuals up to 10K at 60 Hz and 8K at 60 Hz, along with high refresh rates for 4K, 5K, and even 1080p gaming. It also supports 12-bit deep color for vibrant, lifelike images. On the audio side, it handles advanced formats like Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and eARC for immersive sound. Fully compatible with PS5, Xbox, RTX GPUs, Apple TV, and more, it's ideal for gaming and home theater setups. Now our second product is Ugreen 8K HDMI 2.1 cable. This HDMI 2.1 certified cable is built for next-level home entertainment and gaming. With true 8K certification, it supports stunning resolutions up to 10K at 60 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, and ultra-smooth 4K at 240 Hz, delivering crystal-clear visuals with exceptional sharpness and detail. The 48 gigabits per second ultra-high-speed bandwidth ensures uncompressed video transmission with no signal loss, making it significantly faster than HDMI 2.0 and ideal for demanding setups. Advanced features like VRR, QFT, and ALLM reduce latency and eliminate screen tearing or blackout delays, ensuring smooth, responsive gameplay. Dynamic HDR enhances color depth with 12-bit accuracy, producing lifelike and vibrant images. eARC support enables high-quality audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS. X for immersive sound. Built with a durable aluminum alloy shell, nickel-plated connectors, and a braided nylon jacket, it offers long-lasting performance. Compatible with PS5, Xbox Series X, TVs, PCs, and more, this cable is a reliable, future-proof choice. Our third product is Highwings Long HDMI cable. The Highwings 8K Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable, 20 feet, is a powerful, future-ready solution for both gaming and home theater enthusiasts. It delivers stunning visuals with support for up to 8K at 60 Hz and smooth 4K at 120 Hz, ensuring crystal-clear detail, vibrant colors, and excellent image accuracy. Advanced signal processing helps eliminate visual artifacts, making every frame look sharp and lifelike. With a massive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this cable guarantees fast, stable transmission without buffering or lag, and it remains backward compatible with older HDMI devices. Gamers benefit from features like VRR and auto low latency mode, providing tier-free, responsive gameplay on PS5, Xbox Series X, and high-end PCs. Built with durable materials like braided nylon, gold-plated connectors, and triple shielding, it ensures long-lasting performance and reliable connectivity. Overall, it's a dependable, high-performance HDMI cable ideal for demanding entertainment setups. Now number 4, SOX HDMI cable. This bidirectional mini HDMI cable is a versatile and reliable solution for connecting compact devices to larger displays. Designed specifically for devices with a mini HDMI port, it supports both mini HDMI to HDMI and HDMI to mini HDMI transmission, making it ideal for cameras, camcorders, tablets, and mini PCs like Raspberry Pi and select Nikon or Sony models, IT delivers crisp visuals with support for 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring smooth and detailed output, while remaining backward compatible with 1080p content. Built on HDMI 2.0 standards, it supports advanced features like ARC, HEC, 3D video, and high-quality multi-channel audio for an immersive experience. The cable uses 30 AWG tinned copper conductors with triple shielding to reduce interference and maintain stable signal transmission. Gold-plated connectors further enhance durability and longevity, making it a dependable choice for high-quality media streaming. And our last choice is Cree HDMI cable. The Cree certified 8K HDMI cable, 15 feet, is a premium, future-ready solution built for high-performance home entertainment and gaming. With support for up to 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, it delivers exceptional clarity, sharp detail, and smooth motion, making visuals feel more immersive and lifelike. Its 48 gigabits per second bandwidth ensures fast, stable data transfer with minimal latency and no frame drops. Constructed with full-core copper and 4-layer shielding, the cable significantly reduces signal loss and resists interference, ensuring consistent performance even over longer distances. The braided nylon exterior, 24K gold-plated connectors, and antioxidation design enhance durability and long-term reliability. Advanced features like HDR, VRR, QMS, and eARC deliver enhanced visuals and immersive audio with perfect sync. Fully compatible with PS5, Xbox, RTX GPUs, and modern devices, this cable is a strong choice for next-gen gaming and cinematic experiences. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.